Okay, 4.2 factorials and permutation. Okay, let's see what is factorial. This is a general formula for a factorial. N factorial is n multiplied by n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and so on until you get to 1. Like a 2. 2 factorial means 2 multiplied by 1. 4 factorial is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Means you start at this number and you decrease it until you get to the 1 and you multiply all together. 8 factorial is the same thing. 8 factorial is 8 multiplied by 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 until 1. Any question?
No, yeah, I think that's
here. Yeah, thank you. Here is using the technology. I'm sure everyone know how to use the calculator to do the factorial. Let's just do that. See 10 factorial. If I want to do this, I'm not going to do all the way here like that. What I do, I say is 10 multiplied by 9, multiplied by 8, multiplied by 7, multiplied by 6, and multiply the rest of that I put as a 5 factorial. Why I do that? Because in denominator, I have 5 factorial. I can cancel that nicely. Then you have calculator, you multiply these numbers, and that would be the answer. The same thing for 83 factorial. Divided by 83 factorial divided by 79 factorial is 83 all the way you multiply, right? When you get to the 79, and instead of 79, you put this one as 79 factorial. And then you can cancel the 79 factorial with the denominator, which is 79 factorial. That was it. So look at this example. The senior choice has rehearsed 5 songs for an upcoming assembly. In how many different orders can choice perform songs? So you have 5 songs. Let's say for first choice, you can choose from 5 songs. But when you choose one of these 5 songs, now you have 4 songs. For second choice, you have 4 options. For third choice, you have 3 options, because now one of them you have chosen before. Then you have 2 options for fourth choice, and then you have 1 option. As you see, all of them together is the same as 5 factorial, or 120. How many ways could 10 questions on a test arrange if easiest questions and most difficult questions are side by side? So there is 10 questions, right? Just imagine you have 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just imagine that the easiest one and the hard one is side by side, right? If they are side by side, I can count it at 1 question, like 1 position. And I can permute all of that. Now, how many is permutation? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So it's gonna be 9 factorial. Since the easy could come first, hard second, or it could be hard first, easy second. So it should be twice of that. Okay. So that would be total ways that they can be side by side. Now, they are not side by side. What is a total permutation? Like if you have 10 questions, of course, the permutation or how many ways you can arrange them is 10 factorial. If you minus it by how many ways you can have them together, it will give you how many ways is they are not side by side. Any question, guys? That, as you see, that's gonna be the answer. in how many different, in how many different orders can 8